BRoll Smackdown August edition profiles are here. We have bracket 1 right now. So let's just get to it. Mom of 4. Now this is an amazingly inspirational channel in my eyes. Mother Kara takes care of 4 kids. These kids are just amazing. And this channel is exceptionally real. She goes through budgeting. And you're gonna get to see her really challenge herself to get in better shape and all those sorts of things. I find that her charisma and her drive and her love for her kids is exceptionally inspirational. I really enjoy watching Mama 4's channel. I hadn't really seen her channel before she put in an entry, and I can tell you right now, I cannot wait to continue to follow her on her journey. You should join as well. Please click the link in the description and check out Mama 4. You'll be glad you did. It's awesome stuff.
So I will talk to y'all later. I am just a mom of 4.
Hey everybody, I'm Alejandro and this
Penny Ball.
Alejandro Perez and his beautiful daughter Penny have an amazing channel here. They do a daily vlog and lots of different sorts of segments like Letters to Penny, where Alejandro talks about all the things that he wants Penny to know as she grows up. Alejandro and Penny go on all sorts of adventures like hiking and to the zoo and all kinds of fun things. It's really a pleasure to watch. It's really a fantastic vlog. It has so much heart. It's extremely inspirational. But not only that, Alejandro is just a fantastic human being and somebody you want to get to know. So do me a big favor and click the link in the description. Go check him out, say hi, get involved with the family, meet Penny. You won't regret it.
hit that subscribe button, join our family, smash that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.
Well, hello, Parapeeps, and welcome to another episode of Our Haunted...
Well, wait.
What?
This is for Michael Feyrer's BRoll Smackdown challenge.
Oh, that's right.
Gotta do it different.
Alright, so we did do the BRoll Smackdown. We knew we weren't going to win. There's too many better creators out there than us. But hey, it gives us the opportunity to take this time to introduce ourselves. I am Sean Donnelly.
I'm Marianne Donnelly.
And we have a channel called PANICdVideos where we feature our haunted travels. So we're going to invite you over. Come on over. It's okay. Come on over. Check out our channel as we feature over 200 locations across the United States and territories that have some haunted claims
that we've been to.
PANICdVideos. Sean and Marianne, as you can see from the intro, are full of humor. They cover all sorts of historical places with extremely awesome detail, as well as paranormal things that happen at those locations. The voiceovers are just incredible. Go ahead and click the link in the description and show them some love. You won't regret it.
So, until our paths meet again,
Thanks for watching.
and happy hunting.
Hey, here we are, getting ready to take another hike. We're going up the Hatcher Pass, Summit Lake here. Actually, we're going up to April Bowl, but here we go.
The Morey Endes channel has an amazing collection of extremely cinematic videos and B-roll set to beautiful music. A lot of it is hikes and exercise type stuff. It's really, really high quality video. I think you guys will really enjoy the footage that you're going to find. I highly recommend you take a moment out of your day, go check it out and show Morey some love. You won't regret it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that like button, and smack that bell.
4 unbelievable and amazing content creators in this bracket. Please, guys. These folks submitted these entries to me so that they could get more eyeballs on their entries. I would really appreciate it if you would go and check out their content. It shows they're trying to be creative and grow as filmmakers. And you should definitely check them out and show your appreciation in the comments. Interact with these folks and get to know them. Every single one of them are amazing creators. And the link is in the description so you can go and see them. So have a great day. Find your adventure and I will see you in an hour for the live show.